Hello everyone. Here is the follow-up video of my day at the Daytona where I had a major engine malfunction. Going to be showing a quick version of taking the motor out and disassembly and see if we can figure out what went wrong. And while I've got the carburetor off, there's a little modification I did. This is a dual plane intake manifold, but I've made it to where it's a half dual plane. They tell me it helps. And here I'm bolting on the plate that I'll use to hook the cherry picker hook to lift the motor out of the car. I'm using a rather unusually shaped wrench, special to get underneath the distributor to remove the bolt. We'll remove the distributor so that I don't tear up the firewall when I pull it out. And the distributor's all disconnected. Got the hold down clamp off. I've got the wires pulled off of the plugs. And I'm taking the cap. See if we can get this thing out of here. And got the cherry picker in here, got everything unhooked. Snatch the motor out. It has done the best it could do. And here's the engine compartment. It's all oily. I'll take it out and pressure wash it. But if you know those two little funny looking plates laying on the floor, those are the motor mount plates that bolt to the block. And apparently they have become unbonded from the urethane. So that's a little tidbit that was picked up on this. A little bonus for all the rest of the action. And a little quick view of the damage. Hole looks a little bigger from this side. No wonder there's oil all over the motor and the engine compartment. So I'm taking all the accessories off. We'll get the fuel pump off here, get the fuel pump plate off, take the pump rod out, get the water pump off, the harmonic balancer off, get everything ready for final disassembly. Here I'm taking the timing pointer off. It's adjustable and kind of delicate, so I want to get it out of the way before I do any damage to it. I'm getting ready to set it on the engine stand. It's a cheap Harbor Freight engine stand, but if you've looked, I've notched out a couple of 2x4s, hammered them over that lower brace. It makes a nice little platform to put my oil drain pan on. Keeps the floor a little cleaner. here's the first look. All this really nice, pretty stuff in there. Was a really nice oil pan. I think that's pieces of the block, so without a doubt I will be upgrading that. So let's take a look at what's inside. Well, at first look, I don't see any problem with the rods. But upon deeper inspection, I do believe we found the offending issue. This is a 2-bolt block. Of course, 2-bolt 400s have always been told they were stronger than the 4 bolts because the webs are thicker through here. And while I had raced some, I've never had one break. Obviously they do. So that's a new one on me, but maybe the rotating assembly is salvageable. That will be good. So that's kind of a good news, bad news. I may get by with just a block, some machining, and disposable parts. So that's it for now. I'll keep logging in my progress as we go. This is kind of a shame though. I got hours on this old scraper that I had to clear out for the stroke. We'll catch you on the next one. So thanks for watching.